Hello, welcome to US. My name is Ramakrishna Reddy Palagiri and this is Vegetable Oils and Fat Channel. And this video is about groundnut oil. The groundnut oil, when these seeds, groundnut seeds, came to our India, what is the origin of this groundnut seed? In which country it first originated? Then when it came to India, and when the cultivation of groundnut started in India, all these things are explained in this video. At the same time, what are the fatty acids are present in this oil? How much percent of saturated fatty acids and unsaturated fatty acids present in this video? I explained. At the same time, physical properties of this oil and what are the benefits of this oil also explained in this video. Please kindly go through this video. If the video is good, please kindly press the like button. When you are viewing this video first time, please kindly subscribe my channel. When you are viewing the video, you can see a subscribe button below the video. Please kindly press on it and subscribe to the channel. And I am with the support of you, I am going to make more videos about oils, refinery and solvents. Thank you. Groundnut oil. The botanical name of this plant is Archis hypogea and botanical family of this plant is Fabaceae, and also they say as a legume family also they say. Previously it was known as a legume, now it is changed as the Fabaceae family. So the groundnut plant belongs to Fabaceae family and its botanical name is Archis hypogea. Actually the origin of this plant is Brazil and Peru in South America. It ended in India by first half of the 16th century. Early explorers found it cultivated extensively in both Mesoamerica and South America. Remnant pericarp and fruit hull tissue recovered from archaeological sites in Peru dates its purposeful agriculture use there at approximately 3900 to 3750 years before the present year, that is YBP. Probably first crop took place in the valleys of the Parana and Paraguay river systems in the Gran Chaco area of South America. Groundnut crop entered in India by first half of 16th century. It is estimated that it may have been 150 years since it came into use as commercial crop in India. It is known to have come to West India through Africa. This crop is mostly cultivated in South India, means Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, along with Gujarat, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh. Groundnut kernels, after dehulling, have a good nutrient values and minerals and vitamins also. In groundnut kernels, the oil and fat percent is 47 to 52%. The percentage of protein in seeds 23 to 25%. When after deoiling, this protein will increase. For example, if totally this 52% of this oil is removed by solvent extraction system, then the protein will goes up to 45 to 50%. And in kernel of the groundnut, the carbohydrate percent is 8 to 11%. And minerals, it contains potassium, calcium, magnesium, such kind of minerals it contains. The oil is extracted from groundnuts by three methods. One is rotary oil mill method, another is expellers, third one is solvent extraction system. In rotary mill, the seed crushed per day will be around 10 to 20 kgs per hour, and the motor HP required will be starting 5 HP to 15 HP. If it is 10 kgs per hour, usually it will be 5 HP. If it goes behind 20 HP, the HP of the motor will increase. So if we want to crush more, we have to keep this rotary oil mills in series. instead of one, we have to keep 2, 3, 4 like that. Then we can get more than 1 ton of the seed crushing for a day. And the residual oil in this cake will be more. It will be around 10 to 15% in the residual oil in the cake came up from this rotary mill. And next system is the oil extraction machines. This is known as the expeller or screw press. Depending upon the size, this length and the case size, diameter of the screw will be changed and HP of the motor also will increase. Usually using this type of expellers, we can crush 15 tons to 100 tons per a day, and the motor power will be around 30 HP to 100 HP. If you to crush 100 tons per a day, we have to use 100 HP. If you to 15 tons like 10 tons like that, we have to use 30 HP motor to the expeller along with it. And the residual oil in the expeller will be less compared to the rotary oil mill. Residual oil percentage will be 6 to 10%. Here this above one what we are seeing is a cooker. Here the seed is cooked, so this slightly temperature rises, so the seeds will become smooth. At the same time, which it in semi condition, solid condition oil also becomes liquefied. So then from here it enters this cage. Here this box contains one screw and there is one cage around it. When passing through this one, the seeds are crushed and the removed cake will be goes to recharge from this end. The oil oozes from the cage and collected in this tray and goes to the collecting tank. These are the system extraction of the edible oil from the groundnut seeds. One is the rotary system, another is expeller system. So by you collecting or extracting the oil by using the two systems, that oil can be filtered and used directly for human consumption. But in third method, which is known as the solvent extraction, that oil can't be used directly for human consumption, that should be refined through. Here, the fatty acids composition of the groundnut oil is given here. It contains both saturated and unsaturated fatty acids this oil contains. Here, what are the saturated fatty acids it contains given here below, and what are the unsaturated fatty acids contains here given here in this chart. Let us go to first for the saturated fatty acids. Myristic acid, it is a 14 carbons saturated fatty acid. It is present in groundnut oil from 0.5 to 3%. Next one is the palmitic acid. We know it is almost all present in almost all edible oils, starting from 10% to up to 50%. In palm oil, we can see it is up to 47%. Stearic acid, it is 18 carbons saturated fatty acid. It is present from 2% to 9%. Then arachidic acid, it is a 20 carbon saturated fatty acid, long chain fatty acid. It is present from 0.8 to 4.5%. Another long chain saturated fatty acid is lignoceric acid. It contains 24 carbons and it is present up to 3 to 8% only. These are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 saturated fatty acids which are present in groundnut oil. Only the palmitic acid is in large quantity, 13 to 14%. Then stearic acid up to 9%. Then the remaining are less than 3% are like that only. Then we go for the unsaturated fatty acids present in the groundnut oil. Palmitoleic acid is present up to 0.6 to 3.5. This palmitic acid 16:0 is a saturated fatty acid. This palmitoleic acid 16:1 is a unsaturated fatty acid. It is 1 means it is a mono unsaturated fatty acid. It is present up to 0.6 to 3.5%. Next another one is heptadecanoic acid. It contains 17 carbons and one double bond. It is also monounsaturated fatty acid. It is 1% to 1.5. Usually in vegetable oils, the carbons number is an even number, equal number, 14, 16, 12, 14 like that. But only this acid is have odd number 17. Usually this type of odd number fatty acid is very less in vegetable oils. In groundnut oil, we can find this heptadecanoic acid, but it present is only up to 1 to 1.5%. Then monounsaturated fatty acid, which is abundantly available in all vegetable oil is oleic acid. This is contains 18 carbons and it is one double bond. It is a monounsaturated fatty acid. It is present up to 41 to 47% in groundnut oil. Next, another unsaturated fatty acid is linoleic acid. It is a polyunsaturated fatty acid because it contains two double bonds. It contains 18 carbons like oleic acid and it percentage is 27 to 32%. And third unsaturated fatty acid present in groundnut oil is linoleic acid. This linoleic acid is known as the omega-3 fatty acid. It contains three double bonds. The third bond is when counted from the omega carbon, it is on the third carbon. That is why it is omega third carbon. And this above one linoleic acid is also a polyunsaturated fatty acid. It is known as a omega-6 fatty acid. So this linoleic acid and linoleic acid both are essential fatty acids which our body can't synthesize. So we have to take groundnut oil to fulfill this fatty acid requirement to our body. Here I have given the physical properties of groundnut oil. Specific gravity of this oil is at 30 to 30 degrees 0.909 to 0.913 and refractive index at 40 degrees is 1.462 to 1.4640 and suffocation value is good 188 to 196. Iron value of this one is 85 to 99 and unsufferable matter solvent oxide oil. In solvent oxide oil, the unsufferable matter is 1.0 to 1.5 and this unsufferable matter in expressed means oil removed from the expellers and refined oil content 0.8 to 1%. These are the physical properties of this groundnut oil. Here I have given some uses of the benefits of the groundnut oil. Groundnut oil may have the following properties. It may act as an antioxidant. It might have anti-inflammatory activity. It may have anti-cancer activity. It might have anti-diabetic activity. It might protect the heart. It may be antimicrobial properties. These are some benefits of the groundnut oil. Okay, have you seen this video now? So if you have find it as useful to you, please kindly press the like button. At the same time, if you have yet not subscribed to the video, please kindly subscribe to my channel. And I am going to make so many videos on oils and fats and refinery and solvent extraction also. Okay, thank you.